Baby K-Cat. What you doing, little baby K-Cat? Aw, baby K-Cat. Alright, got everything broke down. This is the unrestored case. So you can get an idea of what it looks like here. We've got to knock those cups out for the new bearings. But this is basically how they all look. Some are worse than others. This is about average. It still has a gloss to it because there's still some oil on it. Otherwise it would look like the other side, which is very dry. It just has to get cleaned more. That's all the cover fasteners, bolts. You can see how rough they look. And stay tuned for the restored situation when I get it done. All right, and we are back. And things are looking really good here. I already started putting this thing back together. Pressed in the new bearing cups, pressed on the new bearing on the pinion. I still have to outfit and balance out the LSD. This is an M Factory 1.5 way LSD. But as you can see, that cover is looking really good now. Not bad at all. And this number here is very difficult to retain, to keep. It fades out pretty easy during the process of having, doing the restoration on it. The original assembly line markings on here. And but like I said, the only one I can't seem to keep is this one. This one's difficult, but you can still see it's there. It's just pretty light. In person, you can really make it out well. But on the camera, I'm not sure exactly how well it's being picked up. There's our input flange. Hard to believe that's the same input flange, but it's got a beautiful finish on it. There's all the hardware. You remember how bad that was. Looking great, like brand new again. Well, anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this thing started, get it assembled, get our setup here soon, and stay tuned for the next excerpt of this video. Keep watching. Here we go with the balance on the LSD and ring gear, and we're at just about 1/1000 true round, so that's really, really good. All right, we're going to get ready to set this thing up and check for patterns. So we have our sacrificial nut and washer out. All the new stuff is set aside, the PuddyMod solid steel sleeve. That'll be next once we establish pattern. All right, we are ready to put the PuddyMod solid steel sleeve in. It's all fitted now, ready to go. I'll show you the pattern once I get that stud in. And we're back. We're all set up here. There's our backlash, just slightly over 3 thousandths. It's consistent around the gear. Got a really nice pattern. I had to move this thing a lot to get where I'm at here. It took a larger or thicker than average shim on this particular gear. So this is a 363 gear. It is a Mazda gear. It's factory. It's very popular with the Miata, but we do put them in the Honda S2000 as well, as you can see here. It's got a 1.5-way clutch drive LSD inside. Very nice. And it's been cryo-treated, shot peen finished plates. Really nice piece. Anyway, let me get the cover on this and we'll finish up the video. Well guys, this one's all done, all wrapped up. Came out super sweet, looks great. Full restoration. The only paint on this is the aluminum rear cover because it was in pretty sad shape. As you know, fins were damaged. We took care of all that and just freshened it up with a little bit of cast aluminum finish on it. So it looks factory fresh, just a little different tone to it really. A little bit of a different hue than natural aluminum, but it's pretty close. Anyway, the front of the case, the cast iron third member, of course there is no paint on that. That is the natural factory finish, restored. Well, thanks for watching. We're going to do another one here. Not sure what it is, but we'll be surprised. And please stay tuned. Make comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's kind of the same old thing, but I know a lot of people like this stuff and they want to see their rear end built. So that's what I do. I post up their work, what they wanted me to help them out with, and I really enjoy doing this stuff. And thanks for watching.